We have the uncertainty remaining around Brexit, we have new regulations coming down the line from HMRC, and we have the economy teetering on the brink of recession. And so the job of a bookkeeper has never been more important than it will be in 2020.
I mean, it sounds trite, but bookkeepers are the backbone of society.
They're so close to the numbers. They're really even more trusted than the accountants.
Because accountants tend to spend their time looking at the business's financial records in arrears, when actually the bookkeepers, they're real time, all the way through.
Bookkeepers are right in the thick of it, arms rolled up, going for it.
You come to the Bookkeepers Summit to keep up to date.
It's nice to familiarise yourself not only with other people from the industry, but the common misconceptions, the issues. You realise you're not alone in the ocean.
We're all in it together, and if you haven't dealt with that problem before, it's a fair bet somebody has.
I come away with the feeling of I'm in a big family, and it's really great, so I'm really chuffed to bits.
I want to improve myself and grow my business as well, and it really helps me to find out which way I want to go.